Hi students, good morning to all. Hope you all are safe at home by the God's grace. Stay home, stay safe. Today we are going to see class 7, term 1, chapter 2, measurements. In measurement, we are going to learn exercise 2.4 and also I am going to solve the problems in this exercise. Clear? Yes, let's start. Exercise 2.4, miscellaneous practice problems. First question, the base of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter and the height is 7 centimeter less than its base. Find the area of the parallelogram. So what here it is asked is, they are asking the area of the parallelogram. At the same way they have given the base of the parallelogram is 16 centimeter, so it represents B, and the height is 7 centimeter, 7 centimeter represents H, less than its base. It means that the height is 7 centimeter less than its base. Base is nothing but B and automatically less is nothing but minus. Okay. Therefore, this is in a statement type. We have to make it to a mathematical statement. Okay. That is algebraic statement. Okay. So, solution, base of the parallelogram B is equal to 16 centimeter. Height of the parallelogram H is equal to, they have given height is less than 7 centimeter of the base. Okay. So, B already we know it as 16. 16 minus 7 centimeter, therefore H is equal to 9 centimeter. Clear? Now, they have asked the area of the parallelogram. Since we know the formula of the area of the parallelogram, A is equal to B into H square units, that is base into height square units. Base is 16 centimeter, height is 9 centimeter, square unit centimeter square. 16 into 9 will gives you 144 centimeter square. 16 into 9. 9 6 are 54, remainder 5, 9 plus 5, it's 14. So, the answer is 144 centimeter square. Thus, the area of the parallelogram is 144 centimeter square. Clear? We'll move on to the second problem. An agriculture field in the form of a parallelogram whose area is 68.75 square hectameter. The distance between the parallel sides is 6.25 hectameter. Find the length of the base. Clear? Let me explain. There is a agricultural field which is in a form of a parallelogram and its area is 68.75 square hectameter. Okay. So, 68.75 will represent you the area. The distance between the parallel sides, automatically we know that it is height. Height is, which is nothing but 6.25 hectameter. Now, they are asking us to find the base, which is nothing but B. Clear? Solution. Area of the parallelogram shaped agriculture field is equal to 68.75 square hectameter. Distance between the parallel sides, that is H, is equal to 6.25 hectameter. Clear? Area of the parallelogram shaped agriculture field is equal to base into height square units. Already they have given area of the parallelogram shaped agriculture field is 68.75 hectameter and which is equal to B as it is. Height we know it is 6.25. So, now what you are going to do is take the unknown at one part, known at another part. So, we have B as it is in the right hand side. When the 6.25 in multiplication goes to the other side, it becomes division. So, 68.75 by 6.25 is equal to B. Now, since it is in decimal, we have to convert it as a whole number. So, since here also 2 decimal, the denominator also 2 decimal, we just multiply and divide it by 100. Okay. So, if 68.75 is there, we can write it as 6875 by 100. Okay. Same way 6.25 can be written as 625 by 100. Okay. So, when you take the 6.25 to the other side, 625 by 100 will goes to the numerator. So, you can change by that way or else you can directly multiply and divide it by 100. So, I have directly multiplied and divided by 100. 100 gets cancelled. Now 6875 by 625. We'll divide it by which table we can do it? Yeah, we can do it by 5 table. So 1 times of 5 is 5, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Next again, here also 1 5 is 5, remainder 1, 3 5s are 15, remainder 3, 7 5s are 35, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Again, here 5 table, 1 5 is 5, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, remainder 2. Oh, I have already done that. Okay. So 2 times of 5 is 10, remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. So again 5 table, 5 5s are 25, 1 5 is 5. The same way here 2 5s are 10, remainder 3, 7 5s are 35, 35 remainder 2, 5 5s are 25. Again 5 5s are 25, remainder 2, again 5 5s are 25. So 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. So we got the answer B is equal to 11 hectameter. Thus the length of the base is 11 hectameter. Clear? Yes. Third question. A square and a parallelogram has the same area. If the side of the square is 48 meter and the height of the parallelogram is 18 meter, find the length of the base of the parallelogram. So I am going to represent this question with the help of the figure. Okay, I will take a square and a parallelogram. Okay, they have given that both the area, that is the area of a square and the parallelogram, are same. So we need to find the area. If you find area of any one of the figure, you can find that what is the area of the other. Okay. So first we'll see, they have given the side of the square. So side of the square is A. So square, if the side is given, easily we can find the area. Clear? So have it that in the mind. And height of the parallelogram is 18 meter. Okay. So you know the formula for area of a parallelogram, base into height. So here height is given, base we have to find. If you know the base, then only you can find the area. So it is easy to find the area of the square. So now we are going to use area of the square formula. Area of the square is equal to A square square units. Clear? So A is 48. 48 square is nothing but 48 into 48. When you multiply 48 into 48, you are getting 2304. Therefore, the area of the square is 2304 meter square. But in the question they have given area of the square is equal to area of the parallelogram. Therefore, this implies area of the parallelogram is equal to 2304 meter square. Clear? So now when you observe the figure, you can find that why I have written 2304 here and 2304 here, because both figure area is equal. The area of the square as well as the area of the parallelogram is 2304 meter square. And in the parallelogram they have given the height of the parallelogram. I have written it as h is equal to 18 meter. Clear? Yes. Therefore, we know that area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height square units. What is the area of the parallelogram? It is 2304. That's why I have written this implies 2304 is equal to base into height, we have 18. So now it is in multiplication in the right hand side. When it go to the other side, it becomes division. So 2304 by 18 is equal to B. So go with 2 table, 9 2s are 18. Again 1 9 is 9. Here 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2, remainder 1. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Again with 9 table, 1 9 is 9, remainder 2. 2 9s are 18, remainder 7, 9 8s are 72. Now, therefore, B is equal to 128 meter. Thus, the length of the base of the parallelogram is 128 meter. Clear? Fourth question, the height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. If the area of the parallelogram is 676 square centimeter, find the height and the base. Okay, in the question they have given the height, which has been represented as h, and here the height is equal to, they have given 1/4 of its base. So 1/4 is nothing but 1 by 4, and of represent always in the mathematical statement when you convert of it is multiplication, okay, and base. So it means that h is equal to 1 by 4 into base, okay. So now they have given the area which is 676 square centimeter. With this we have to find the height and the base. Clear? Solution: the height of the parallelogram is 1/4 of its base. So h is equal to 1 by 4 into b, which is equal to b by 4. Therefore h is equal to b divided by 4. So when you multiply this 4, take it to the other side, b becomes 4h centimeter, okay. Now with you can substitute b is equal to 4h centimeter in the area formula. Since area of the parallelogram is equal to, we know that 676 square centimeter, and also we know the area of the parallelogram formula. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. So this implies base into height is equal to 676. And since we know that base is equal to 4h, instead of b you will be writing 4h into h, which is equal to 676. h into h is h square. Take this 4 to the other side, it becomes h square is equal to 676 divided by 4. 1 4 is 4, and here 1 4 is 4, remainder 2. 6 4s are 24, remainder 3. 9 4s are 36. Therefore we got h square is equal to 169. H square is equal to 169. So we want to find h. Take the square to the other side, it becomes square root of 169. So when you go for the square root of 169, you know that square root means always go from the last, take two digits. So when you separate, we have to have a perfect square, that is same number. When you multiply the same number, you should be getting this number or less than this number, okay. So 1 into 1, 1. So as it is, in normal division we will be taking one value down, but here we have at a time you have to take two numbers. So 6 and 9 down. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Again a perfect square number should be here. So 3 into 3. 23 into 3 will give you 69, 0. Therefore height is equal to 13 centimeter. Clear? Since we already know that b is equal to 4h, instead of h we found the value as 13. So 4 into 13 will give you 52 centimeter. From this we got b is equal to 52 centimeter. Thus the height and the base of the parallelogram is 13 centimeter and 52 centimeter respectively. Respectively means first value is for first, second value is for second. Clear? Yes. We'll move on to the fifth question. Fifth question, the area of the rhombus is 576 square centimeter and the length of one of its diagonal is half of the length of the other diagonal. Then find the length of the diagonals. Clear? In the question they have given the area which is 576 square centimeter, and one of the diagonal is half is nothing but 1 by 2 of the length of the other diagonal. Length of the first diagonal we will take it as d1, length of the second diagonal we will take it as d2. So it means that d1 is equal to half of d2. So now they are asking us to find the length of the diagonal. So exactly we want to find the value of, that is length of the diagonal 1 and length of the diagonal 2. Solution: since area of the rhombus is 576 square centimeter, it implies that A is equal to 576 centimeter square. Also in the question they have given the length of one of its diagonal is half of the length of the other diagonal. So length of the first diagonal will take it as d1 and length of the second diagonal as d2. Since they have given d1 is equal to half of d2, therefore we take it as d1 is equal to 1 by 2 into d2. So take 2 to the other side, you will be getting d2 is equal to 2d1. So wherever d2 is there, you can substitute 2 times of d1. Clear? Since area of the rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2 square units, we know the area of the rhombus is 576. Substitute that, which is equal to half into d1 as it is d1, but d2 we found it as 2d1. Now 576 is equal to d1 into d1 is d1 square. This 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So this implies d1 square is equal to 576. Take the square to the other side, it becomes d1 is equal to square root of 576. When you take the square root, you will be getting 24. Therefore, d1 is equal to 24 centimeter. Also, we know that since d2 is equal to 2 into d1, which is equal to 2 into, instead of d1, you will substitute 24, we will be getting 48 centimeter. Therefore, d2 is equal to 48 centimeter. Thus, the length of the diagonals are 24 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Clear? Sixth question. A ground is in the form of an isosceles trapezium with parallel sides measuring 42 meter and 36 meter long. The distance between the parallel sides is 30 meter. Find the cost of leveling it at the rate of rupees 135 per square meter. Here the question goes in this way. There is a isosceles trapezium shaped ground. Okay, that ground has the parallel sides measuring. The first side will take at AB. A is equal to 42 meter and CD, which is B, which is 32 meter. Therefore, we got the value of A as 42 meter and B as 36 meter. Next thing, they are telling that the distance between the parallel side, from this to this, these two are the parallel side. The distance between the parallel side is nothing but height. Height is equal to 30 meter. Now, if you find the whole area, that is area of this ground which is in the shape of an isosceles trapezium, that is, this is the area, the shaded portion is nothing but the area. If you find the area, then you can multiply that with the rupees 135, so that you will be getting the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of 135 per square meter. Clear? Yes. Since parallel side A is equal to 42 meter, parallel side B is equal to 36 meter, height H is equal to 30 meter. From this we can find the area of the isosceles trapezium shaped ground, which is equal to half into H into A plus B square units. Clear? So half as it is, H we know it is 30 and A it is 42 and B it is 36. Okay. So half into 30 into 42 plus 36 will gives you 78. Okay. So when you cancel, simplify it, 1 2 is 2, 15 2s are 30. Now we get 15 into 78 meter square. So when you multiply 78 into 15, you will be getting 1170. Therefore, now we are clear, the area is equal to 1170 meter square. With this area, we can able to find the cost of the leveling of the ground, which has been given as per square centimeter, it is 135. Since cost of leveling the ground at the rate per square meter is equal to rupees 135, therefore cost of leveling the ground of 1170 meter square is equal to, multiply this area with the amount which is 135. So 1170 into rupees 135 is equal to, when we multiply 1170 into 155 will gives you 1,57,950. Clear? Thus, the cost of leveling the ground at the rate of rupees 135 per square meter is rupees 1,57,950. Yes, I am sure that you are clear with this exercise 2.4 miscellaneous practice problems. Hope you are clear with the problems, and I feel that you won't have any doubt in it. Practice all the problems which is here in the miscellaneous practice problems, because it is little complicated than the other exercise problems. Okay, thank you students. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.